So we're gonna change all these receptacles. I think we got about like maybe 6. Right now I'm counting 5. Work on this one. Before you do anything with electrical, make sure the power is off.
So now I'm here to look at you and I'ma be okay. So you should feel that when I go ahead and communicate, okay?